Welcome back, everybody. Here today I've got a Stihl SH56 handheld leaf blower. This thing is flooded like crazy. The muffler actually had fuel leaking out of it. Today what I want to show you is how to quickly unflood your machine, your 2-cycle equipment, or any equipment for that matter, if it's flooded. What you need to do is make sure that the choke is off. And then what you do is you open the throttle wide open and you just crank until it starts. You can even take off the air filter if you want to. Sometimes it allows it to get a little extra air. See, it's starting to go now. So it's that easy, guys. Remember, choke off, take the air filter off if you want, make sure your spark plug's good, and keep the throttle wide open. Keep pulling like I did. Eventually it will burn all the gas, the excess gas that is in your cylinder, and your equipment's going to start. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this video has helped you out. Make sure to subscribe. Have a great day.